In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change your Facebook profile to Digital Creator. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is update your Facebook app. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Facebook. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Now you can launch the app, navigate to your profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the top left. Once you're over here, what you'll need to do is click on three dots. Now, over here, you're going to find the option of turn on professional mode. You'll need to click on this option. Click on turn on. Click on next for all these options given over here. Now here, you'll need to choose your default audience and click on next. Click on confirm. Click on go to professional dashboard. And just for that, you have converted your Facebook profile to Digital Creator. You can navigate back to your profile page and check. Now, whenever people will visit your profile, they're gonna see this option, Profile Digital Creator. So this way you can easily change your Facebook profile to Digital Creator. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.